Alvina. I'm the committee manager here at Block 71 Singapore. Today I have with me our startup from Korea, Junming, who is part of Artix. So Junming, what is Artix?
Artix is a digital healthcare startup based in Seoul, and we are developing AI-driven diagnostic screening tool.
So how do you come up with this idea to create an AI diagnostic screening tool?
Because my workplace makes many diagnostic errors, and we thought we could improve that by applying artificial intelligence into diagnostic system. Now, in the current system, we count cells manually, and this makes many human errors and is very subjective. So when we apply artificial intelligence, we can have a coherent system when more highly accurate diagnosis by instantly.
I see. So currently the situation is that a researcher actually takes the cells, put it under a microscope, looks through the microscope, manually counts the number of pigments or cells in each specimen.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And so with your solution, it actually helps increase productivity and also reduces human error. Okay,
Yes.
That sounds cool. So who will you produce these offerings for, these solutions for?
We could maybe try to target labs, and lab technicians and doctors can use our system to improve their productivity and accuracy. And maybe like later in the future, maybe we could use our Artix camera in the third world where they lack healthcare infrastructure, and to have more like diagnose early to help reduce like deaths that could have been saved.
I see. So where are you guys at now? Have you developed, do you have a prototype, or is your MVP already finalized?
We are working on our MVP, and we currently have our first prototype ready, and we are working on it to improve it more.
Cool.
Yeah.
So in the next phase, what are you looking for? Are you looking for people to help you test your product? Are you looking to talk to more people?
We're looking for more partnerships and definitely test out our prototype, and working just trying to see what we can do with our product and what kind of liquid biopsies we can test our product with, and we're open to anything that's possible. We are trying to apply our system to any lab test that needs microscopic examination. Like we could apply our product to like animals or like agriculture or any sector that needs microscopic examination. So we are just trying to see what types of market there is out there, and yeah, we are doing that right now.
Okay, so this is the last day of your market validation program. You've been in Singapore here for like 4 weeks now. So what's next for you guys? Are you going back to Seoul?
Yeah, we are going back to Seoul, and we are trying to get more grants from Korean government, and we were selected for TIPS, which is Tech Incubator program in Korea, and yeah, we're looking forward to participate in that program as well.
Cool. So if you are a lab technician or a lab researcher who really works a lot with the microscope, you can reach out to Junming. You can find her on her website, artix.ai.
AI.
Bye-bye.
you.